Prompting ChatGPT correctly can transform your experience with the AI, making it more helpful and accurate. Whether you're a student, professional, or just curious, today, we'll show you how to get the most out of your ChatGPT prompts. First, start simple. Be clear and concise. For example, instead of saying, "Tell me about history," say, "Give me a summary of World War II's causes and effects." The more specific you are, the better ChatGPT can help. Next, always add context. If you want a formal answer, mention that, like explain climate change in a formal tone. Now let's take it a step further. You can ask ChatGPT to respond in a particular style. For example, explain Python loops like I'm a beginner, or summarize this article in bullet points. Always clarify what format or depth you want. Follow-up questions also work wonders. If you don't understand something, simply ask, "Can you simplify that?" One common mistake is being too vague. If you ask, "What's AI?" you'll get a very general answer. Instead, try asking, "How is AI used in education?" It's focused, and the answer will be more useful. Another issue is asking complex, multi-part questions. Break them down. If you ask, "What is AI and how does it work, and what are its pros and cons?" it's better to split this into a few separate prompts for clarity. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you'll get more precise and helpful responses from ChatGPT. Now go ahead and try prompting like a pro. And if you found this video useful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe.